All right, it's been a little while. Thought we'd talk today. Went out riding today. Everybody's got their favorite pair of glasses. Well, these are mine. They're the Wiley Tanks. They don't make them anymore. I love the glasses, and I keep buying these cheap replacement lenses because they keep getting scratched. Well, I found an answer to that. This company's name is Fuse. They make the lenses. Any frames that you've got, they'll make them. They are guaranteed for life for scratches, breakage, and even for loss. And let me tell you, they are amazing lenses. I'll show you. They are polarized and they're extremely well built. So if you have a pair of frames and you want to get a set of lenses made for them, contact Fuse. It's worth the money.